Welcome back to As E Dey Hot, the Jollof edition. As we do them every Friday, we go discuss all of the action and ogbonge tori when we discuss this week. We don't drop them Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and with our ogbonge visitor, Oga Solomon James Moses. Ezuku Chukwudi Anunku be there inside, and we'll continue from our discussion before we rush enter break. Oga Solomon James Moses, this is your name, as in, it is just the sweet me. We don't discuss some of the major stories. Maybe we discuss what we discussed yesterday. ICPC, we've been here gist, although the source, they say that unconfirmed because the talk person of ICPC, using home talk. But they talk say 8 governors for this our country, they don't put them inside one list, set up special panels where we say, go the state, go check all the book to see how they take spend money when belong to all of us, our commonwealth. And then people don't talk and say, no be today we don't see these things. We don't see so many cases when they can't come against public office holders, not be just governors. But at the end of the day, after the case dragged for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, because of certain technicalities when they inside the case, everything will just turn waste. You believe, say, if truly, because probe, no be say person don't dey guilty. Probe supposed to be normal thing for government because no be your company, no be your personal property. If they entrust you with something that belong to everybody and you do finish, people supposed to check, say, how we take do am, so that another person go fit continue. You believe, say, this case, even if it go even there at all, you believe, say, you will go see headway, I mean, just initial gragra.
If you follow the antecedent we don't do for Nigerian polity, say all those things in the past, it could be initial gragra. But sometimes the gragra determine and the person where they at the top. And we know say the current president in get body movement where they adjust some things. So you get things where we say they easily sweep come out, but now they don't go sweep on like that. Because even him himself, even when in the campaign, he tells you every time we lose, in the go court. Because say him believe in the rule of law.
Hey!
So right now, I'm not sure saying go want make anything just go like that. In go want due process. However, what me think be say why like most of these 4 people, 3 over 4, now from his own party.
Not true.
So it be like say charity begins at home.
Okay.
So that when he wants start to enter the other side, before people go to say, hey, they will chant us.
But Oga Solomon, make we also look at this way. If they were here, make we also they were from the other this other angle. Okay, in don't they show gragra, don't they show say yes, they must fool him, but they say in one fight corruption. But look also bear in mind say under the political party where in they represent. You don't hear say people will surround them. Say these people they get her inside 1 or 2 things. See if he say this person what they talk about now one individual compared to in the midst of like plenty people. See if he say this thing go transparency go there for this fight against corruption. If that time don't they reach where they go say they won't find this person guilty, they won't find that person guilty. We know when they hear voices or hand, we could they reach out from those other people. Can't say no, let us stop it there. Make we know I stand up.
Oga Solomon, before you answer this question, you don't see the kind of person we could be. You see, say if we they talk, say we won't stop bad thing. They always the one they find. I tell them this yesterday, say he don't begin to make excuse down. So that if the thing happen like before, excuse me, never you cut me. Never you cut me.
Answer this question. Oga Solomon, answer this question.
I just want
answer this question.
I don't get it. I don't get it.
No, you don't get an. If
you don't get it, wish yourself you want to explain.
What me I see for there, no be say in just one do gragra.
Thank you.
First of all, the problem where we don't get for this our country be say we no get institutions.
Okay. Because
if the institutions they work on their own, no matter what you want call, what you want do, those people suppose get their own, then stand alone, then go do them.
Thank you.
Now, so waiting me, I see now. Let's take the few ones we know they work on NNPC and other ones. Now structure is a crate because when the structure stand, him no get any right to sentence anybody. Him no be lawyer.
Yes.
Now waiting the court of law talk. Now he go do. So at the end of the day, make the people waiting be probe. So if your hand no dirty, waiting they fear for. So just go.
You see, You see,
why point
you don't
at
need
me?
to-
I resemble person you want prove.
Unkubi, you go declare
I resemble person you want prove.
Unkubi, you go declare your
I'm the
asset.
government official.
Unkubi, you go declare your asset.
I'm the government official.
All of a sudden, the way you don't talk, you be like who don't get one kind of alert. You must declare your asset today on top of this show. So that by Monday, if we come begin a year on that, you go know. See, as it come be like saying, I may be the other party.
Mind yourself.
Why are you making excuses?
Mind yourself.
Why are you making excuses?
Nothing stops you from asking the kind of question I want
Which
to ask.
question are you
And
asking?
I have every right as a Nigerian to say I want to ask this question or not.
Backyard
It concern
question.
you.
Backyard question. Backyard question.
You don't
That's all
answer
no
that.
vex.
No problem.
Now you just dey provoke me once in a while.
Leave
Oga
am,
Solomon,
leave am.
make we come talk about asset declaration. He must declare your own.
Because I get what's in my mind for
Thank
that
you.
one.
You must declare your own. You go declare your own. Yesterday, we hear breaking news say the talk person of Oga Presido don't make the assets public knowledge. Even though Oga Presido, the way when our law take talk 24 hours before you assume senior position for government, you go submit them to the Code of Conduct Bureau. They don't submit them, but those ones go gas first check their papers to see say the thing they correct. But before the 100 days complete, because now one of the promise when he make, when he use the home and talk, they don't make them public. And the kind things when Nigerians they see, plenty will come look say, well, if we check them, if we check their lifestyle, it be like say, now so it be. But we go to wait. News story people go do their work where make we see. Make we come check what our Oga Presido declare. Make we know whether he follow, he no follow. He get house, he get land, he get shares, he get bank account. I don't say account. He get farm, he get animals, and he can't get motor. For the house when he declare, he put am say he get 2 mud houses. Ili Alamo, I go talk am for Fiji. Ili Alamo, 2 house, old school house. No believe am for old school house.
Talk am for Igbo.
Why you go dey command me make I talk for Igbo? No, they tell me say make I talk for Igbo. If you want talk for Igbo, talk for Igbo. Don't be causing problem in Nigeria. Make I continue. After the 2 mud houses, he got to say get 2 houses again for Kaduna, 1 for Kano, 1 for Daura. This one will be mud now. He get 2 mud for Daura, but this one will be mud now. And then get 1 for Abuja. For the land, he say he get 2 plots of undeveloped land. Then he say 1 day for Kano, and then they still they trace 1 when they for Port Harcourt. He be like say, you know, really remember the road when you go follow, go the land. For the shares, they say get shares for Beggar Paints, get for Union Bank, get for Sky Bank, and they say now only 1 bank account. See, you know, I don't tell myself, say, it be like me and Oga Presido, we share so many things in common.
Of all things, not just choose that and do example. Of all things, not just they try compare yourself. No try on this program. Say they compare yourself with Oga Presido. Not just try them. Respect yourself. The first say you tall and Oga Presido tall, no mean say now get the same this resemblance or now get the same features. You are Chukudi, Ezugu, Cypriel. He is Oga Muhammadu Buhari. 2 different people. We don't see him, but you, I know you very well, and I know the kind of things you can do.
You never finish. Make him finish.
I know what they try to talk, John. No, they try compare yourself. I know where they carry talk go. Talk the other one. No, just come they compare yourself with any Oga President.
As a shock,
Oga President is transparent, but you are transparent. Answer that.
Oga Solomon, what did I talk now? We bad.
Say you. No, I know. Me at this
I know
one
Oga Solomon. I know allow talk that.
You be man.
I know allow talk.
Una dey similar.
Okay, you don't see, out of 12 of you don't know who they go church. You know, the 8 Beatitudes, say, blessed are the meek. You don't see the way on a day. I forgive you.
You don't meek. Cowbell or which other one?
Not be, no called, no cause quarrel. But meek is meek.
Okay.
Make we continue. They say get only 1 bank account. And they say they don't check them, do their calculation, and like 30 million. Now they inside. They say he get farm, 30 million. They say he get farm, say he get orchard. He gets ranch with a number of economic trees. That is trees where we say they plant them so that it go produce money. Then for the animals, he get 270 heads of cattle. The one when he even get, even past the one when we say David, Papa. Get that time 270 plenty where now. So somehow he be big man. Somehow he get 25 sheep, get 5 horses, can get plenty beds. For the motto when they use, they talk say the ones when we say well wishers, then give them, and the ones when we say federal government say may they give them based on say in a man of person when not do this country before. That na President Muhammadu Buhari. You go still talk what in your mind. But we could take Oga Chris all the way from Calabar, from Lagos. Oga Chris, good morning, sir. Oga Chris from Lagos.
Good morning.
You be like say we don't lose Oga Chris. Oga Chris.
No, we Oga Chris, they talk now. Queen from Lagos.
Oh, Madam
Queen.
Uncle B, good
Madam
morning.
Queen.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We there. Good morning.
First lady of Asidio.
That marriage where you go do, I hope say your wife fine.
Ask this man whether I take my woman declare marriage to Ram. Ask him.
Then tell us say na marriage you go.
I not do any marriage over Madam Queen.
Our wife, oh.
You do, ma?
Anyway, make I chook mouth for matter wey dey ground.
Okay.
As na Jollof edition we dey do today, make I start from Governor Fayose of Ekiti State.
Oh, yeah, now.
I see picture say some people kneel down, they beg, say if they discipline them, say they come late. When you dey talk of corruption, corruption no be only money. When government they pay you salary, then you sit down for your house, you know they do the job. That's corruption. All these things, they talk corruption, not be until you steal money, say you dey spoil Nigeria. So it's good now, make them begin discipline them so that they go know, say, government work na serious matter.
Yes.
And it take concern everybody where they the country. Nobody beg them, make they come work for government. If they don't say they don't feel work for government, make them stay for their house, make them do their personal business.
Thank you.
So that one for that one. Then for the matter where concern asset declaration, somebody been tell me yesterday, say, our president say he borrow money buy a campaign form. How come he get 30 million? And I answer him, say, person no get liquid cash, no mean say no get money, we go turn to money. And we no get asset, we go turn to money after a few days. So the man no get liquid cash that time, no mean say he no get 30 million. Wait till be 30 million. So make them leave the man, make them leave him a beg. So we can't see the laugh, say our vice president get money past president. We can't laugh for that one. So all those ones they grab, but at least now Nigerians don't get peace. So say they don't declare their assets. As it be said, now one of the promises where they make to Nigerians be that. So I give them kudos. So say they do well. At least don't people go rest.
Yeah, at least they go dey relax now.
Yes.
Madam Queen, thank you very, 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 very much for your contribution. At least the first lady of us, they don't talk. So we need to talk.
Okay. Before we, so we never talk vice president, but let's the president Oga Buhari. I like waiting declare, waiting and saying declare, but in declaration no get.
Yes. Because they collect calls.
Yes, we don't.
So they will fit sum up everything.
Oga
Victor, they call us all the way from Zamfara. Oga Victor, good morning.
Good morning, Kubi. Good morning, Chikudi.
Good morning, Oga Victor. This is why your voice is like this. You self don't declare your own assets.
In fact, my assets, they declared right from time. I greet my triple prophets.
I greet you.
Well done.
Thank you, sir.
I beg, make I start from the issue where happened on Monday or Tuesday.
100-day promise.
Where APC say,
see, they no talk.
They no promise anything. I like the way our visitor put them. But one thing we say, APC was instituted on the foundation of lie, deceit, and propaganda. And some people don't talk, say that they should stop behaving like kind of opposition party and start behaving like party where they in government. So when they come in, everybody now don't they say, life don't improve. But who laid the foundation, they no talk. Refinery don't they work. But somebody started the turnaround maintenance. You know, claiming things where they never do. But when the things where they promise, when they reach the time to do them, they will begin give excuses. Would they talk of integrity? But I hear say the chief of staff was sacked in 2004 for embezzlement of funds. Go check them. I heard them for national TV. Do you understand? This kind of thing no show say person get integrity. Well, we don't hear the assets we say declare. But we did not expect him as somebody who has ruled this country, a retired general, to tell us that he has 2 mud houses. What does that mean?
Now still part of assets.
But now what do you get now?
It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. He don't show say he won't prove to us say na man of integrity. But for me, I don't see him like that.
Oga Victor, thank you very, very much. You have don't raise one very important question. Say your own problem now. Say why you go they talk? Say now small things in get. But as they talk, declaration of assets. Waiting you get now you go come and talk say you get, and now waiting not do that.
And then man say that mother is there for land.
They are on land and
on top of land today. Oga Polycarp, Oga Polycarp all the way from Enugu. Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
Good morning, Kobe.
Yeah.
Good morning, Chibode.
Oga Polycarp, I greet you, sir.
Good morning, Solomon.
I cut head for you, Oga.
First of all, charity begins at home. Let me begin from the studio. Somebody, they do. And the advert, whether they dance and the sausage and yash with each other. Advert no good. They're going to try the model. So.
Okay, no problem.
Sometimes they do the dance with the barefoot wearing coats. It's indiscipline. Maybe stop that. Okay. And nothing to say. Somebody complained about Cool TV. For my area, this morning they reached out. Cool TV doesn't work. And when they see them.
Okay.
Going to the other issues.
Okay.
ICPC. I don't know. That's just bulldog. I don't know whether they get it now. Because now people said they're pushing a case way above them. I said, made them leave that. Let's follow the small fish like the local government. I like the follow the state governors. I like those also petitions. What else can still do it? Nobody's above the law. I don't know what I say about from a local government in Enugu. I'm not going to mention the name of the local government, but the chairman there, when the wife gets the leg, they can't go to America, go born there. This man is riding a jeep, what they call Escalade. You know how much that kind of jeep they cost?
It costs.
Chairman. No matter how much, if you see the house, it's a beautiful village. Because I come from that side also. The very big mountain, somebody said that the government chairman get a house. Most of these people are extravagant spending. They give them independence, autonomy, local government autonomy. They are not using money recklessly. It's just like the governors is doing in some states. So I think these people are going to do their job very well. Like for NATO use of the witch hunt people, that's what I don't want. Ngobi.
Yes.
The thing does we spread around alike. No, whether it is from an APC state or PDP state. Some of them even cross over from other parties, the other one.
Very true.
Like Amechi. Who crossed over with the whole property went to the government house. So he should be among the who will probably first. Thank you all and God bless.
Thank you very much,
Oga Polycarp. You don't make very important points. Quickly, make we just give the vice president own before another call enter, so that when you go talk, you go just talk the two together. The vice president himself get house, he get business, he get shares, he get bank account, and he get motor. But before we talk that one, sake of say himself na prophet, we go collect Andrew. Oga Andrew, good morning, sir.
Okubi.
Good morning, Oga Andrew.
I hear you. I say good morning, Okubi.
Good morning. I hear.
James, I greet you all.
I greet you, Oga Andrew.
I dey happy well for the matter when una shook for ground this morning.
Okay.
Continue with your contribution.
Our president Buhari and his vice don't declare a asset. I say make he still follow suit with the governors and senators. So
also declare their own.
House of Rep and members of Assembly to also declare their own. This show to us say President Buhari mean wetin he wants to. That this the wetin I want make una follow us tell our country.
Okay,
Nigeria,
I believe that they hear you, Oga Andrew.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You don't make very important points. Quickly, make we just drop this one so that even if we go break, come back, you go just talk the matter. He's saying get 4-bedroom house for VGC, Victoria Garden City for inside Lagos. He get 3-bedroom flat for inside Ikoyi. He get 2-bedroom flat for inside Redemption Camp. And he get 2-bedroom mortgage property for Bedford for Obodo, England. He get company, sake of saying be qualified lawyer with plenty years of experience, Simons Cooper Law Firm. And he get shares for MTN Nigeria, Octogenarium Limited, Windsor Grant Limited, Transposa Vistorion Limited, and Aviva Limited. Then if for in bank account, you go gas clear your throat before you talk this one. They say for in accounts, he get about 94 million naira. And he also get 900,000 US dollars. That one are American money. And 19,000 pounds. That one are British money. For a motor, he gets one Infinity SUV, one Mercedes-Benz, and one Prado Jeep. But it's important make we point them out, say, our vice president are professional for so many years, over 20 years. You know, they work with very, very international work them. Now, they even work with the United Nations, where they say definitely the money where they go pay now for inside on a foreign currency. Oga Solomon James Moses, you go choke mouth for this matter.
when I been see wetin Oga President first declare, I laugh because he get many things, but he can't get the one wey catch my attention. He get cattle, he get horse, he get sheep, he get bird, he get economic trees. For that side there, that asset no reach federal character. Because no goat.
No goat inside.
So they don't deprive.
So discrimination dey against goat.
Exactly.
And goats dey important.
Goat, so somebody need to donate to, okay, make it complete. Why goat no dey? Okay? But no do. Na better thing. Say make Oga declare. Him been tossing go do am. He use his mouth for that one. No be say then say. And he don't do am. Like Oga Andrew we talk. The governors need to follow suit.
Not true.
Senators need to follow suit.
Exactly.
Everybody needs to follow. At least when they finish now, you go declare. Nkubi go declare.
If he declare me, I not be government official. So why will I?
My hand dey very clean. Everybody know.
Right from the very beginning, everybody knows my hand they clean as well.
Make we rush go this break. Make we see whether your hand they clean.
Don't tell me that.
You need detergent.
Why can't they go break?
You need detergent and hot water.
Why can't they go break?
You don't see the kind of person when it be.
So that
make we go this break. Come back. We will check your account. We must check you. They don't pay you. Welcome back to Aside Hot. Ezugu Chukwudi Nkubi and Oga Solomon James Moses dey inside studio to review all of the Ogbonge Tori when we discuss this week. We start from wetin enter Monday and Tuesday, the 100 days. Promise, abi no promise. Enter Wednesday, look government and indiscipline, how we go fit repair am based on the example wey happen for Ekiti and before Cross River State. We also look ICPC and former governors real or wash on Thursday. And today, the story wey come out on top na the declaration of property by our Oga Presido and Vice Presido. Oga Solomon James, we been dey talk something before we quickly rush go that break.
So I say like for the Vice President own, I can't see one kind law, we both call it law of diminishing return. Apart from the money, he get 4 bedroom for VGC. He get 3 for another side. He get 2
for redemption.
But 1 no grey enter. The discrimination on 1.
Now 1 room.
1 room supposed to for part of the portfolio. But no do. Just like you talk, him na professional. And he don't serve for different Ogbonge capacity. So I don't think anybody go raise eyebrow to say what he get or how he get. But the good thing is say at least he don't show say I get. So where we been talk they go be say since he don't declare, make governors too declare.
Make
senators too declare. Because like the person for Enugu will be in the talk. Polycarp. When you see local government chairman, people they pull escalate and all those things. And when you ask even the senators, their salary, they'll tell you say they know they earn past 1 million, I mean something like that.
But the emoluments and entitlements.
Okay, or the rich we join and come make and fat. So make everybody declare down so that we go know.
But Oga Solomon.
No, Nkubi, may we take Oga Obiora from Yola.
Okay, Oga Obiora, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Nkubi. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Obiora.
Oga Solomon, good morning to
good morning, sir.
See what I want to talk as we don't conclusion today, Chukwudi. This issue of declaration, will they declare from yesterday or day before yesterday to when they begin to get money? Because our constitution says a day before you are swearing in. Now it's 3 months. And if it's 3 months after the swearing in, if you find out that the declaration is false, but we'll take it like that. Then again, issue of promise. If APC will not come out and tell us that this is not from Buhari, all those town hall meetings, most of us follow them on television and online. So if those promises is false, and as of today, they tell us that Buhari go London after winning election and say that he will not promise anything, it means that we don't have trust on their activities. So let other governors, though those declaration is false, as one of our callers says, when somebody will declare more house, mud house. Is it because no money to build it? So thank you very much.
Thank you very much. See, Mr. Ogobiora, they try to reiterate on which they try to. But the question what we want to have is say, okay, they don't come and don't declare assets. And most Nigerians go say, yes, I would be happy to come and don't declare assets. But no be there end.
Yes.
You understand? Not be declaration of asset be good governance.
Yes.
Not be declaration of asset go provide food for table. Not be declaration of asset go do it and go provide employment for people who no get job. Not be declaration of asset go at least make light day 247. You understand? So don't be about declaration. Now about governance. Okay, they don't declare now. Waiting be the next thing where we say we got this government supposed to make sure say at least by that example where they don't lead. They go also make sure say at least they go spread that thing around. So that every Nigerian will know say yes, we'll get a very good government in place.
And it's very important to point out say see people when we say through hard work. You understand? And the fact say they enjoy the life when they live. See what they get. Make every Nigerian feel enjoy normal life. So long as say you they work hard and you they make money for this country, make you live well and make wahala no day. We will collect Michael too from Yaba. Like say people plan come today. All these people when they carry.
Yes.
Oga Michael, good morning, sir.
Oga Michael, good morning. Michael. Bless Michael. No
in network enter night bus. Okay.
You go just
quickly.
For me, yes, declaring their asset, they're good. But you see, they need to take them beyond that one. But you know, we say, what they do, they bad.
No, they
because you fit us say, okay, as they don't declare, how that one go affect light, how that one go affect food, how all those things. Suppose they don't declare, person will get 30 million now. Then, when he finish, he can get 10 billion. You know, not say some back end don't enter.
And that's what we're going to need to ask. We say they don't declare them from the beginning now. Say if they not on the end,
by law,
they go declare. Come and can't declare to you. Say okay. See what now get so far.
The law.
But we know the same happen. If people don't declare, we know the same happen.
That's the thing, because these things know they happen before. At least somebody not be saying that they start Yaradua been doing. Okay,
yes.
But at least continue after Yaradua. So then don't continue them again. So let's see how it go. But my own be say, if then declare, say, see what we get, it simply means if there is a sudden inflow of money into the account, all those things like that, you can know something don't go wrong. Because if you do that diversion, now it go affect light. Now it go affect food. Now it go affect employment. So if those I get, now see what I get, see how much they pay me every month, okay? For the next 4 months, 4 years, people will be accountants for even calculate how much with their money.
Very true.
So if they do that one, then you begin to see transparency. You begin to see accountability. Because right now, waiting me at the learn from this one, Anna, being accountable to the people.
Oga Solomon, James, Moses, you don't talk this talk finish. The team pay us because 1 hour no even do to talk all this talk. But as you take honor our invitation, they come here, sit down with us, follow us, discuss for this 1 hour. All of the Ogbonge tourism we discuss this week, we really appreciate them. And we'll go shake your hand because you try, no be small.
Thank you
very much for coming on top of
Thank you very much.
Our people, when they for us, they talk say Nigeria and our country, you know, go spoil. Make all of us join our hand together to move our country forward. They talk say 100 days, we go begin to see, say, okay, government don't promise us and they go do things. But make we know, say, governors, and presidents and people when they occupy public office, they'll not be magicians, they'll not be miracle workers. Now the hard work when we go put into all the things when they go do, and go make our country move forward. We go assess the 100 days, but we self supposed to show understanding so that the children when go come, the future of our country, then go enjoy, even though we go suffer small now. Until we come back again on Monday to discuss the 100 days. Assess them. Nobody say we they give Marco, but we just want to look at. Make we say I go to move forward. Now as it dey hot with this.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.